it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are doing a freshman advice video. I have been getting so many requests to this video. You have no idea. Like literally every single video I post, I have multiple comments that are like, freshman advice, freshman advice, freshman advice, freshman advice. And I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll do it. Yeah. I've actually already done 2 of these videos, so you should definitely check those out. Those are so helpful. They're probably more helpful than this video is. Like that's... should I say that? I don't know. So the other 2 videos that I did for freshman advice, one of them was right after my freshman year. That video is so helpful. Oh my gosh, it was literally every single question I had going into freshman year answered. Every single one of them. I literally talked about like what type of makeup and like shoes people wear. Everything that you could possibly think of. The other one was me going into my senior year, and it was a bunch of things that I wish I would have done earlier, like things that I had a late start on doing. And then now this video, I am graduated high school. I'm going into college. Stay tuned for college videos. I'm just kidding. But like, you should subscribe. This video is going to be about all the things that I wish I knew in high school that I realized once I graduated. I'm also doing a video that things you can do starting your freshman year that will help you get into college. I'm doing that video. It's coming soon, so stay tuned. Also, another side note, my intros for my back to school videos are so long. I'm doing a huge giveaway right now, so you should definitely enter. I'll have all the giveaway information in the description and like the video and everything, so if you want to check that out, do it. So let's get on into the advice. Where did I put it? My first tip is to start with the end in mind. And if you've ever read that book that's like 7 Habits of like Highly Effective People, I don't even know if that's the name. My 8th grade teacher forced us to read it. It was horrible. I hated every second of it. But that book talked a lot about starting with the end in mind. And so this could mean for you is your classes, your electives, your sports, your credits, things like that. So when I was 14, I had no idea what I wanted to do when I grew up. I literally was like, what? Like job, career, college? Who? Don't know her. I'm still like that, not gonna lie. I have a little idea of what I want to do, but like not as much. One thing that I wish I would have done is taking electives with things that I'm interested in rather than like the fun electives. So right now I major in business, digital marketing, things like that. There's actually like a marketing class at my school as an elective, and I wish I would have taken that class over like clay or culinary. I just wish I would have taken more classes that are geared towards things that I'm interested in for a career rather than like the fun electives, so I could see really this is what I want. Now that I'm majoring in marketing, I seriously have no idea if like that's actually what I want to do because I've never taken a marketing class in my life. Start with the end in mind. Some people are definitely going to disagree with me on this one, and I'm sorry if you disagree with me, that's totally fine. This is just how my brain works. Don't take honors, dual enrollment, AP courses if you don't think you're going to succeed or do well in them. Colleges look at your unweighted GPA instead of your weighted GPA, and honors, dual enrollment, AP classes are weighted, so they're on a 5-point scale rather than a 4-point scale. It's really confusing, but basically a B in like an honors weighted class is equivalent to an A in an unweighted class, but they look at your unweighted GPA. So if you think that you're going to get a D in an honors class, I think it's better to just go in an on-level class and get a C, if you know what I mean. And I know some people are going to be like, people don't get D's in honors classes. Trust me, they do. So I'm not saying don't push yourself, but don't push yourself to the point that you are going to break and fail. This one is the most important one, and I really just want you guys to just like listen to me on this one. Get good grades your freshman year. I know that some people are like, well, duh, I'm gonna get good grades. There are so many people, I'm not kidding, I know so many people that really just didn't care their freshman year at all. You're going into high school and you're kind of like, whatever, freshman year is super easy, I'm not gonna try, I'm not gonna study, I'm not gonna turn in my homework, I'm not gonna do this. You're going to hate yourself when you're a senior for it. Like hate, like literally, like you're going to be like, 14-year-old Keegan, what are you doing? The really big myth is that colleges look at your junior year grades and that's it. They look at the past 3 years. So since you're a senior, they can't see your senior grades. So look at the past 3 years. Your freshman year is a third of your GPA. I know so many people that didn't get into a college, didn't get a scholarship, didn't get to do all these things. They really suffered because freshman year they just didn't try, and sophomore year they started building themselves back up, getting better grades. But since they just didn't care freshman year, they missed out on so many amazing opportunities. Your high school GPA actually matters outside of high school. Like once you graduate, if you want to rush in a sorority, they look at your GPA. Certain jobs look at your GPA. I remember my financial apps teacher actually said that for her grown-up teaching job, they looked at her high school GPA. That's insane. I would recommend really focusing on your grades your freshman year. It's going to set you up for success in the next 3 years of high school and in college. Be aware of your reputation. It can go away, but it also can follow you. I had a friend in her freshman year, she was friends with these girls that didn't have the best reputation ever. They were kind of like the girls that would do drugs and drink and like like hook up with a bunch of guys and all this stuff. So they had like a not so like amazing, like clean reputation. And this girl that was friends with them was nothing like that. She was the polar opposite. She was like such a good little like wholesome girl. But since she was friends with them, everyone categorized her into that group. She had this horrible reputation of someone that she wasn't. She stopped being friends with them eventually and got her reputation to like what she actually is and who she actually is as a person. But just be aware that you can get a reputation with the people that you hang around. It's high school. It's not the end of the world if you have a bad reputation. Like, you'll go to college and your reputation can change. But just keep in mind that the actions that you do and the people you hang around can affect the way people perceive you. Don't care about boys your freshman year. Just like, they're so stupid. Like 14-year-old boys. No, just don't. Focus on your grades your freshman year. Focus on getting used to high school and really figuring out who you are, and don't focus on like, I need a boyfriend, I need to have my first kiss, I need, like, just don't. Do as many clubs, sports, extracurricular activities as possible. You'll meet so many people. It'll be great on your transcripts. If you start your freshman year, you really build your way up and you can work into a leadership position in those club sports, which is actually my last tip, and it's to take on leadership positions in your clubs and sports. This is something I had no idea like was a thing. There's so many places and things that look at leadership positions. Colleges, jobs, like even sororities. I keep saying that. There are so many places that just being in the club isn't enough. They want you to take on a leadership position. They want you to take on more responsibility. They want you to show that you are a leader, not a follower. Definitely start your freshman year, do some club sports, and then work your way up and take a position, because that will look so amazing on your applications. So those were all my freshman advice tips. I hope that you guys liked it. Don't forget to check out the other 2 videos of freshman advice that I've done, and also don't forget, enter my giveaway. I also have a ton of giveaways going on Instagram. Like, I'll be announcing them on Instagram. Follow me. I'm like shoving my follow button in your face. I'm so sorry. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!